Let's be honest. Slips, trips, and falls happen before we even comprehend them. Most falls are caused when your footwear loses traction with the walking surface. And in many cases, these falls occur on the same level. Slip and fall hazards can hide in plain sight. Morning dew or water vapor can make most walking surfaces slick. Plus, the colder the temperature, the slicker you can expect any walking surface to be. Fluids that are thicker than water can cause a surface to lose its friction, such as oil spills or grease-polished floors. Outside, materials such as mats, loose gravel, dirt, uneven pavement, or cracked concrete are a few examples of possible slip, trip, and fall hazards. Expect the unexpected. Be aware of your surroundings, and don't forget to always use your head and eyes. If you are walking in a poorly lit area, unsure to what possible hazards may lie ahead, slow down and pay attention to where your feet are landing. This will give you more time to react if a hazard presents itself. Wear the proper footwear with anti-slip soles for better traction on slippery surfaces. A variety of traction aids are available to you. Carrying a heavy load can make it difficult to keep your balance. If you step onto a slippery walking surface, you will need your hands and arms free for better balance. If you slip backward, protect the more vulnerable parts of your body, like your head, neck, and spine. Tuck your chin into your chest to prevent your head from hitting the ground at full force. Take extra caution and preventative efforts to inform your coworkers when a slip and fall hazard presents itself. Remember, the life you save could be your own. Don't use the wrong ladder. Always inspect the ladder before use for any cracks or loose rungs. After inspection, take any ladder out of service if it has damaged or missing rungs, split side rails, or any other faulty defective construction. Choose a ladder that is tall enough so that you can stay off the top rung when climbing or descending. You should always have 3 points of contact. And never overreach, because gravity will pull you down. Be aware of your balance and follow the belt buckle rule, meaning your belt buckle and torso should be positioned in the center of the ladder rails at all times when climbing or descending. A ladder should have secure, unbroken safety feet. On soft surfaces like grass and dirt, use a board under the ladder to securely balance and level out the feet. Be mindful of the 4-to-1 rule, meaning that the feet of your ladder should be 1 foot out for every 4 feet up to the point of support. Rungs are 1 foot apart, so it should be easy to figure out the angle. Ladders are not made to be used in a horizontal position as a platform, runway, or scaffold. Ladders should not be placed in passageways, doorways, driveways, or any location where they may be hit or disturbed. If you must set up in a busy or common area, protect yourself and your ladder with barricades or guards. Inattention is the main weak spot when it comes to the defense against falls. So whatever you are doing, remember these 3 rules. 1. Keep your eyes on what you're doing. 2. Stay fully aware and focused on what you are doing. 3. Don't let distractions ruin your day or your life. Our bodies work much like the machines we depend on every day. We should be certain we are applying the proper mechanics when performing these tasks to avoid any serious injuries. Here are the top 10 rules when lifting. 1. Don't try to lift any object if you are unable to get a good grip. This includes items that are too bulky, awkward, or too large to securely handle. 2. Don't move or lift objects by yourself if heavier than 40 pounds. 3. Ask a coworker for help or use some type of mechanical aid. 3. When picking up an object that is lower than your waist, ensure your back is straight and bend at your knees and hips. Do not bend forward at the waist with your knees in a straight locked position. 4. Never twist while under a load. Turn your feet and avoid twisting at the waist. Twisting can take your spine out of alignment and make you vulnerable for more serious injury. 5. Stand with a wide stance close to the object you are trying to pick up and keep both feet flat on the ground. Use the shortstop position. 6. Lift in a smooth, steady motion. Do not jerk the load. 7. If something is too high, never reach overhead. Use a step stool or ladder to bring yourself up to the object you're trying to reach. 8. Keep your elbows in close at your sides when lifting or carrying an object. 9. Always use 2 hands to lift a load. 10. Make sure you're able to see over the top of what you're trying to lift. Any unseen object can slide off and strike your head, face, or eyes. Follow these rules when lifting to avoid injury. Our hands do anything our brains tell them to do. So engage your brain first, slow down, and check for hazards when performing these tasks. No matter how long you've been doing your job or how long you've done the same task at work, stay focused and follow these 4 basic principles of hand safety. 1. Pinch points. Pinch points are everywhere. Hinges, doors, toolboxes, and stepladders all have pinch points. Pay attention and be aware of all possible pinch points. 2. Proper gloves. Your hands can get cuts, burns, bruises, and other injuries. Handling sharp-edged materials can cause cuts. Hot surfaces can cause burns. Splinters can come from metal and wood. Get the right gloves for the job. Gloves with tears or rips don't give good protection, so inspect both gloves before each use. 3. Machine guarding. Machine guards prevent accidental exposure to moving parts. Do not remove or bypass them. Machine guards on portable tools like lawnmowers and saws prevent you from chopping off your fingers. Floor-mounted machines have safety guards in place for the same reason. Shut down the machine and make sure it's properly locked out before performing any maintenance. Don't wear metal jewelry like rings or necklaces when working with machinery. 4. Normal daily use. Watch out for common hazards during normal everyday use. If a potential hazard presents itself, use common sense. For example, don't pick up broken glass or sharp objects with your bare hands. Protect your hands when working with chemicals. Don't use your hands to sweep up glass, wood chips, metal shavings, or other related materials. Remember, use your brain before using your hands. Thank you for watching, and have a safe day.